College housing should give you more than a place to sleep. At Central Penn College, apartment-style student housing helps you build independence, manage everyday responsibilities, connect with other students, and prepare for life after graduation. You can enjoy greater freedom while still having the support, safety, and resources of a college campus. It is all part of Central Penn College's commitment to helping students move from potential to profession. Students share an apartment with other residents. Each apartment includes double occupancy bedrooms, a shared kitchen, a shared living area, shared bathrooms, common spaces for studying, relaxing, and spending time together. Living in an apartment gives students the opportunity to prepare meals, maintain their space, manage a schedule, and share responsibilities with roommates. Central Penn College's residential community is located near the center of campus. The apartments are arranged around a common area that includes the outdoor pool. Student parking is completely free, and there is sufficient parking available for residential students. Live independently, build your community, prepare for what comes next.